Hello, my good friends. You are welcome to my mathematics class. Please, I want you to pay attention. Let me provide solution to this particular question. We have to find the value of x. If 5x equal to 80x raised to power negative 1 over 3. Solution. We have 5x equal to 80, then x raised to power negative 1 over 3. This is the question that is given to us. Now, first thing we need to do is to remove this 5 from here by dividing both sides of this equation by 5. So this will be divided by 5, and the whole of this will be divided by 5. So that 5 can divide 5 to give us 1, okay? 1 multiplies x will give us x equal to 5 divides 80 will give us 16. So this will be 16x raised to power negative 1 over 3. So this will give us x equal to 16 divided by, so long as x is raised to power negative 1 over 3. So we are going to remove the negative and bring x down, okay? Then raise it to power positive 1 over 3. Okay. So we now have x equal to 16 divided by x raised to power 1 over 3. Next thing we are going to do will be to cross multiply. Remember that this can be divided by 1 to give us the same, because x divided by 1 will still give us x. But since this is in fraction, let's put this also in fraction. Now we can cross multiply. X will multiply x raised to power 1 over 3 to give us x multiply x to the power 1 over 3. Remember, this dot means multiplication. Okay, everything will be equal to 16 multiplied by 1 will give us 16. Okay, in indices, if we have the same base, remember this is base x and this is another base x. If we have the same base and both of them multiply each other, what we do is to add the powers. Remember that this x means x raised to power 1. Because any number which is raised to power 1 remains the same. So since this is index, let us also provide an index to this x by raising it to power 1. Okay, now you see we have the same base, okay? Let's bring down one of the bases and add the powers together. So the powers will be 1 plus 1 over 3. Everything will be equal to 16. Okay. Next target will be to simplify this fraction. Let us bring them together. Now to bring them together, we are going to consider the LCM. This is 1 over 3, which is a fraction. And believe you me, this one can also be 1 over 1. Yes. So I can consider this one as a fraction by dividing it by 1. Now if you want to take the LCM of the denominators, this will be 3 and 1. So the LCM of 3 and 1 will simply give us 3. Okay? So what we do is we are going to put down x. Okay? We put down x, but it's going to be raised to power. We draw our line of division, bring down the LCM, which is 3. Remember, this is over 1 here. Okay? Don't be confused. Now, this 3 will be divided by 1 to give us 3. 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3 plus 3 will be divided by 3 to give us 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. Okay, everything will be equal to 16. Now we have x raised to power 3 plus 1 is 4, then over 3 equal to, let me write this 3 well, equal to 16. Okay, now we have x raised to power 4 over 3 equal to 16. What we are going to do next is to try and remove this power 4 over 3 from here. All right? And to remove it, we are going to multiply this power by the reciprocal of the power. This is 4 over 3. Its reciprocal will be 3 over 4. And we have to balance the equation by also raising 16 to power 3 over 4. So this will be x raised to power 4 over 3, which is this one, then multiply by the reciprocal of 4 over 3, which will give us 3 over 4. Everything will now be equal to 16 raised to power 3 over 4. So that 3 over 4 can divide 3 over 4. we now have x equal to 16 raised to power 3 over 4 means fourth root of 16, all of them raised to power 3. Whenever the power is a fraction, the denominator of the fraction will form the root of the base. Okay, in this case now, root of this base is going to be fourth root. Okay, so we put down our fourth root, then of 16. Everything will be raised to power 3. And what is fourth root of 16? Fourth root of 16 means the number you are going to raise to power 4 to give you 16. That number is 2 because 2 raised to power 4 will give us 16. So we now have 2 then raised to power 3. And 2 raised to power 3 will simply give you 8. So 8 is the answer to the question. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you've understood how to answer this type of question. Okay, please, if this is our first time to watch my videos, kindly follow me after watching this video, share this video, like this video, and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.